In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Phantom wallet on your mobile device. Whether you're new to the world of digital wallets or looking to switch things up with Phantom, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Play Store on your mobile device. This is where you'll find all your apps and downloads. Once you're there, head to the search bar, which is typically at the top of your screen. In this search bar, you're going to type Phantom. This will bring up a list of apps pertaining to your search query, but you'll specifically look for the Phantom app. It should be the top result, easily recognizable by its distinct logo. After you've found the correct app, go ahead and click on the download button. Give it a moment as your device downloads and installs the app. Be patient. The time this takes can vary depending on your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open it up. Upon opening the app, the first thing you'll see is a prompt asking you to agree to the terms of service. This is pretty standard for most apps, and it's important as it outlines what the app can do and your rights as a user. Go ahead and click I agree to proceed. Following that, you'll see two options: Create New Wallet or I already have an account. If you're watching this video, I'm guessing you don't have an account yet, so let's click on Create New Wallet. Now you'll be prompted to continue with an email or create a seed phrase wallet. For simplicity and ease, let's select Continue with Email. This is a convenient option and works well, especially if you're new to this and want a seamless setup process. Next, you'll be given the option to continue with Apple or with Google. For this tutorial, we'll continue with Google. Click on Continue with Google and you'll be taken to a screen where you can select the email you wish to connect. Simply select the email you want to use and follow any additional prompts. And there you have it. You now have a brand new Phantom wallet set up on your mobile device. From here, you can explore the app and start managing your digital assets with confidence. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and I hope you now feel prepared to use your new Phantom wallet. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to share it with others who might find it helpful. Happy wallet creation!